The art of negotiation, managing conflict and creating value. Negotiation is a critical skill in business, essential for managing conflicts and creating value within an organization. It involves a strategic approach to reaching mutually beneficial agreements while navigating complex interpersonal dynamics. This article explores the elements, situations, and need for negotiations, appropriate negotiation and bargaining tactics, and the essential steps in planning an effective negotiation process. 1. Elements, situations, and need for negotiations to manage conflict. Negotiation is an essential tool for managing conflicts that arise in various business situations. The primary elements of negotiation include 1. Parties involved, the individuals or groups engaged in the negotiation. 2. Interests, the underlying needs and desires of each party. 3. Positions, the specific demands or statements of what each party wants. 4. Communication, the exchange of information between the parties. 5. Options, the possible solutions or agreements that can be reached. 6. Commitments, the agreements or promises made by each party. Negotiations are needed in situations where 1. Resource allocation, disputes over the distribution of resources, such as budget allocations or team assignments. 2. Contract agreements, terms and conditions of contracts between businesses or within organizations. 3. Workplace conflicts, interpersonal or interdepartmental conflicts that require resolution to maintain a productive work environment. 4. Strategic partnerships, forming alliances or partnerships that benefit all involved parties. Effective negotiation helps manage conflicts by addressing the interests and positions of all parties, leading to solutions that satisfy everyone involved. 2. Appropriate negotiation tactics and strategies to create value for the organization. To create value through negotiation, it is essential to use appropriate tactics and strategies. Some effective negotiation tactics include 1. Interest-based negotiation. Focus on the underlying interests of the parties rather than their stated positions. 1. This approach helps in finding mutually beneficial solutions. 2. Building rapport. Establish a positive relationship with the other party to foster trust and open communication. 3. Active listening. Pay close attention to the other party's words and emotions to understand their perspective fully. 4. Problem-solving approach. Work collaboratively with the other party to find creative solutions that address both sides' needs. Effective negotiation strategies include 1. Preparation and research. Gather information about the other party, the context of the negotiation, and potential options. 2. Setting clear objectives. Define what you want to achieve from the negotiation and prioritize your goals. 3. Flexibility and adaptability. Be willing to adjust your approach based on the dynamics of the negotiation. 4. BATNA. Best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Identify your best alternative if the negotiation does not reach an agreement. 4. This knowledge provides leverage and confidence. 3. Appropriate bargaining tactics and strategies to create value for the organization. Bargaining, a subset of negotiation, involves reaching an agreement through a more competitive approach. Appropriate bargaining tactics include 1. Anchoring. Set the initial offer to influence the negotiation range. 2. Concessions. Make strategic concessions to move the negotiation forward while still achieving your goals. 3. Trade-offs. Exchange concessions on lower priority issues to gain advantages on higher priority ones. 4. Deadline imposition. Use deadlines to create a sense of urgency and prompt decision-making. Effective bargaining strategies include 1. Understanding power dynamics. Assess the relative power of each party and use it to your advantage. 2. Framing. Present your proposals in a way that highlights their benefits to the other party. 3. Mutual gains approach. Focus on creating value for both parties rather than winning at the expense of the other. 4. Win-win mindset. Aim for outcomes where both parties feel they have gained something valuable. 4. Basic steps in planning the process for an effective negotiation. Planning is crucial for successful negotiation. The basic steps in planning an effective negotiation process include 1. Define the objective. Clearly outline what you want to achieve from the negotiation. 2. Analyze the situation. Assess the context, including the interests and positions of both parties. 3. Gather information. Collect relevant data and insights about the other party, the market, and potential solutions. 4. Develop a strategy. Create a detailed plan outlining your approach, tactics, and contingencies. 5. Prepare your team. Ensure that everyone involved in the negotiation is aligned and understands their roles. 6. Practice and rehearse. Conduct mock negotiations to refine your approach and anticipate challenges. 7. Establish ground rules. Set clear rules for the negotiation process to ensure a structured and respectful dialogue. 8. Monitor and adapt. Continuously evaluate the progress of the negotiation and adjust your strategy as needed. In conclusion, effective negotiation is essential for managing conflicts and creating value within an organization. By understanding the elements and situations that necessitate negotiation, employing appropriate tactics and strategies, and following a structured planning process, organizations can achieve successful outcomes that benefit all parties involved.